I'm Rose from Lighting Reimagine, here to talk to you about pendants. Today we're going to show you some beautiful styles in our Hudson Valley room. This particular one is more of a transitional look. It comes in different sizes and different finishes, and you could use 2 or 3 depending on your application. It would look just simply beautiful. Here's another gorgeous style. This is more of a formal kitchen. Comes in different heights, so don't let the height scare you because it comes in 3 different heights. It comes in gold and it comes in polished nickel as we're showcasing, and 2 over a larger island would look just gorgeous. This other one is considered a transitional look. This is beautiful for maybe 3 in a row on a 10-foot island or perhaps an 8-foot island. But the size and the height of this would be great for a lower ceiling. And over here we have this beautiful mid-century look. Very popular today. It comes in different finishes. As you can see, it's a 2-tone with a little Sputnik in the middle, which gives it a lot of dimension and interest. It also comes in a polished nickel and black is one of the most popular colors right now. So we have so many choices to show you. Please check us out on Lighting Reimagined.